So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke, love finds no way.
It's like you're always stuck in your second year.
But that hasn't been your day. Think of all the weird fears because
I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to pour, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. Like you're there for me too. Oh, hey there, Rolly.
Howdy, Thomas. How's it going?
Fun.
There goes Thomas again, being the protagonist as usual.
I wonder when you're gonna get your fist or something.
I mean, we could just ask Brandon for some video editing advice. That might come in handy.
I'm not sure about that, Edward.
It's still worth a try, though, right?
Well, you two have been forgotten way longer than I have, so guess we'll see how it goes then.
Am I good enough for you? No, but you're too good for any other girl.
Okay, so far so good. Closer, back a bit. Brennan! We need your help for a second. Not right now, guys. Can't you see I'm busy recording Chris?
Uh-oh. He's going crazy. I think we better run now.
卡卡，男，8岁，一个人。
What are we supposed to do now?
I don't know, Henry. I don't know.
Hey, Dice, I just talked to a wife. You seeing that you want a few volunteers to try out his chocolate crack? Guys like to come along?
Chocolate crack? What's that made out of?
It's just made out of soda crackers and chocolate, Gordon.
Sounds interesting. Guess I'll have to try it out.
Great!
This actually tastes pretty good. I don't know why you call it chocolate crack though, Roy. Oh, well, I learned how to make it from cooking with Linja. It's her specialty after all.
Here's my chance.
Uh-oh. It's escaping.
Catch that crack!
Stay right down there, guys. I'm gonna go and get help.